Welcome back to part 2 of our deep dive into the one bid rule. In the last video, we covered real estate and logistics. If you haven't seen it, go back and watch part 1. Links right up there. We'll also put into the comments and inside of the description because it's important for you to watch it and then come over to part 2. Because today we're going to be looking at high volume commodities and critical care services. These are the contracts that keep the government running daily, yet somehow almost nobody is bidding on them. So let's jump right into the case. Remember, we did the first 5 in the last video. Now we're on number 6, office supplies and stationary stores. This is NAICS code 453210. You might think that this market is saturated by big box stores, but the data shows something different. There's 1.01 bids per solicitation on average. The government needs specific compliant office products delivered to specific locations. This is an opportunity because if you can handle the logistics, the competition is virtually non-existent. Number 7 is a big one: medical, dental, and hospital equipment and supplies merchant wholesalers. This is NAICS code 423450. The government buys everything from hospital beds to surgical instruments. The average bid count here is just 1.05 proposals per solicitation. This is, by the way, a volume game. If you have the relationships with the manufacturers, or you are one, you can move massive amounts of products with very little competition and resistance. Now we go over to number 8, and that's other accounting services. NAICS code 541219. This isn't just tax prep, by the way. This covers payroll services, billing, and bookkeeping for government agencies. With an average of 1.0 bids per solicitation, agencies are desperate for reliable financial support services, and you have an inside track. If you're a CPA or have a financial firm, this right here is your blue ocean. Number 9, it's taking us back to logistics. General warehousing and storage, NAICS code 493110. The government owns a lot of stuff and needs places to put it. The average bid count, by the way, is 1 bid. That's right, 1 bid on average per solicitation. This is often short-term storage or overflow for disaster relief. If you have the square footage, you have the contract. And finally, number 10, administrative management and general management consulting services. This is NAICS code 541611. This is a catch-all for professional advice, strategy, organizational structure, and process improvement. Despite being a popular industry, specific government solicitations often see just 1.06 bids on average per solicitation. It's crazy. They need experts who understand their specific problems, not generic consultants, which once again, if you got the experience and understand the specific problems, you got the inside track. So there you have it. Here are 10 verticals where the competition is practically zero. The one bid rule proves that you don't need to fight for scraps. You just need to know where to look and when to fight. If you found this valuable, make sure to like and subscribe so we can keep bringing you the data that helps you win. As always, make sure to subscribe, like, comment below if you got any questions. We try to respond to every single comment that comes in. See you in the next one.